Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add product reviews. Now this is an easy tutorial, easy and quick. All you have to do, guys, you want to go to your own Shopify store, as you can see here, and you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, okay? And then you want to click on apps and sales channels. After that, you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. After that, what you guys need, you want to download this app. It's called Ali Reviews, okay? It's called Ali Reviews. I know, guys. Okay, it's called Ali Reviews, like I said. This is the app. Let me search for it. This is the app. It's called Ali Reviews app. You want to click on install. It's free, by the way. You don't have to pay a penny here. You need to click on install in the top right. Okay, guys. Now what you guys need to do next, you want to go with the basic plan. It's enough. You don't really need the premium unless you have like a large quantity, like you have a lot of products on your Shopify store, or you are selling a lot of items. You can select the premium plan. As you can see the features that our premium plan offers: unlimited reviews, unlimited products, automated product review. You can select that here. Now, as you can see, it says here the basic is free. As you can see, 30 reviews per product. That's it. I always go with the free plan. You want to click on sign up for free, and then you want to click on this X, because I'm going to explain to you how to use the app. Now you want to click on manage reviews in the top right, and here you will find all your Shopify products. Now what you guys need, you want to click on import reviews. Okay, now you need to find that exact product on AliExpress or Amazon. Okay, go to AliExpress and you want to search for the exact product that you have imported to your Shopify. So for example, if it's a watch, you just need to find a watch that is similar to the one that you have imported to your Shopify, and then you want to get these reviews from the products. For example, this watch, you want to copy the URL of the watch in the top, okay, and then you want to paste it here. It says here AliExpress product URL, and here you can type where the reviews should come from. If you want, for example, to receive only reviews from United States, you want to select here United States, and here the number of reviews is going to be 10. And here, if you want the product to have the reviews to have images, you can do that. You can just click on should have images. If you don't want, you can just leave it as it is. That's it. Click on import and the reviews will be imported. As you can see, the product reviews request submitted. Now you just need to wait a few seconds, and as you can see, 10 reviews has been imported to the product, and you can click on manage reviews and you will find all the reviews that has been imported to your Shopify product. As you can see, you can get a lot of watch for the price. You can also, the best thing about this is you can also change the review, okay, of the customer. Thank you, for example, for this product, blah 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 blah. So that's exactly what you guys need, and then click on this plan. Okay, you can only change the review if you select, guys, the premium plan, which is $9. That's exactly the problem with this app. But you can leave the legit reviews, which they are coming from real buyers. Okay, you can leave them on your Shopify store. So now if you go to your product page, you can find these reviews under the app, under the products of your Shopify product. Okay, I hope, guys, this video helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, by the way. Now you need to select a plan, by the way, if you want this to work, which is you don't use the free version of Shopify. Just don't use the free trial. I'm sorry, you need to select the plan. Okay, hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. Click the video in the screen to learn more about Shopify.